All right, looking at something like this, again, yeah, my goal is to try to figure out which one of the things that follows it is the same as this one up here, at least conditionally the same. So I'm going to write this as 1, I'm going to write secant x minus 1. Well, you remember when we started out, I was kind of clearing the fraction, or complex fraction, I'm sorry, and I multiplied top and bottom by cosine x, plus, let's do the next term, 1 secant x plus 1. I'm also going to multiply the top and bottom by cosine x. Now what this has accomplished, it accomplishes writing things in terms of sines and cosines. What do you get on top? Cosine x. On bottom you get 1 minus cosine x. Plus, well, you're going to get 1 plus cosine x. On top you get cosine x. So what I want to do is get a common denominator. And that's going to be the product of those two denominators. 1 minus cosine x and 1 plus cosine x. I'm going to take the first term and multiply it by the unit factor, 1 plus cosine x over 1 plus cosine x. You get cosine x times 1 plus cosine x. What do you get next? Plus cosine x. And again, the building factor there would be 1 minus cosine x over 1 minus cosine x. All right, I'm kind of looking at that. I'm going to maybe put it down here now. And the bottom, I'm going to actually multiply the bottom out. And the bottom would be 1 minus cosine squared. Now, if I did the top, I'd factor out a cosine x. What would it be left off with? 1 plus cosine x plus 1 minus cosine x would just be the number 2. All right? Then repeat what I did. I factored this out, and then I'm left with this plus that. 1 plus 1 is 2. Cosines disappear. So I don't really see that answer in the key. So what I'm going to do is rewrite the bottom a little bit differently. Let me put that down for you. So what are you going to say? Equals, I'm going to put down 2 cosine x, and the bottom is sine squared. What does that give you? Well, it's going to be 2 cosine x over sine x times 1 over sine x. What does that give you? 2 cotangent x times cosecant x. All right, let's just take a look at the key. And again, I'm looking at the key for a reason. I want to see if I see that. And I see it right over here. 2 cotangent of x. Go back over here. Cosecant of x. So it's letter A. A is the correct choice. All right. So again, we'll do this over here. You might say your key looks a lot different than your chicken scratch. It should. It's typeset for you. But really, I'm following the same things. Same things over and over again. All right. It's important that you're able to follow that and be able to reproduce that on your own, by the way. Thank you.